Welcome YouTube, this is MVP Forever. This is a video update of two computer builds of two customers of mine. This computer is going to be made for office purposes. This is just something to work with. It's not high-end or anything like that, but it just will do the job for the what the customers is requiring. So let's go through the parts very quickly, and yeah, let me just show you. Okay, so yeah, as you see, have a quick look at. You have the MSI FM2 A75MA E35 motherboard, Corsair CX430 power supply. All right, let me just get closer. Here we have a well, it's a budget case. It's the Roswell FBM01. Down below we have the Microsoft wireless $2 keyboard combo, keyboard mouse combo. Let's move up here. This is the Acer. This is the 1080p LED monitor. It's a 24-inch. You have two of them. Here we have, as I mentioned before, this is the MSI FM2 A75 E35 motherboard. You have two of them. Down here, this is the wireless card. It's a TP-Link. It's the N900 wireless dual band PCI Express adapter. You can see there. Corsair, the Corsair CX430. You have two of them. And right next to it, we have the 2 packs of Corsair XMS3, 2 packs of 4 gig. Right next to it, we have the APU, it's the A6 5400K. Down here we have the Seagate Barracuda, 1 terabyte. We have two of them. We have here, let's see, this is the optical drive from Asus. So yeah guys, yeah, I think I have a little work ahead of for me to do, so yeah, just want to keep you guys updated and you know, show you what I'm up to. But yeah, I will show you guys the final build of this two office computers, and yeah, so you know guys, so I hope you like it, and I keep you up to date, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.